I could be wrong, but you look like the type of guy that in the 80s did a lot of blow. Am I right?
Yeah.
How did that come from?
Hey babes, welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto every day. It looks like Ethereum just broke all-time high again. Thank goodness, because she has been taking forever. There was also an exchange that went down, and we're going to talk about cryptocurrency security and the purpose of not your keys, not your coins. And a cryptocurrency that I called the other day, earlier this week, was actually just listed on CoinGecko, which is insanely bullish. And I went ahead and bought a bag. Stick around to find out what cryptocurrency this is. Let's go. Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto every day. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and set alerts. Also, I put my hair up because somebody had asked me to. Let's go ahead and give you guys the top crypto news stories. First story, Turkish crypto exchange goes offline, CEO missing. The report by government-controlled, I can't pronounce that agency, comes a week after the country's central bank announced it was banning the use of crypto for payments. So this CEO just gone, and the exchange is called Theodex. It was trading more than 585 million in cryptocurrencies on its exchange, and they are gone. They had about 400,000 users, and 390,000 of them were trading actively, according to the state news agency. This is bad. This is why we don't keep our cryptocurrency on exchanges. However, the issue that I'm seeing is that 39,000 were keeping their cryptocurrency on this exchange because they're actively trading. And that's really the only reason why you want to keep your cryptocurrency on an exchange. So this is a rock and a hard place, because if you have your cryptocurrency on cold storage, it's hard to move back and forth, especially with the volatility with crypto. So I relate to that because sometimes I do keep my crypto on exchanges, but I also utilize DEXs a lot. I'm not sure about the laws and regulations in Turkey, but this is absolutely terrible for the people that were impacted by this. I hope these guys come back. I hope their legal system can help these people. This is just not good news. So either way, you guys, if you are going to be trading on a centralized exchange, understand that something like this can happen and be prepared. Make sure it is disposable income, that if it gets hacked, you lose it, you're okay. This happened to me when I was on Cryptopia. This happened to me on Mercatox. I cannot get my funds. It's just a pretty sad thing. Next, let's talk Polkadot. If you guys want to learn about Polkadot, you want to know what interoperability means, and you want to learn more, head over to Wendy's white paper. I drop 3 news articles weekly talking about the basics of different cryptocurrency projects, risk management, how to utilize DEXs, how to set your DEXs up, some tips, technical analysis, importance of Bitcoin, everything. Go back and read this. I am very bullish on Polkadot. I have a bag. I dollar cost average. For the fundamentals, read this. But now let's go ahead and do Polkadot price action. All right, you guys, this is our dot chart. And this, I want to say I drew this on Sunday. Either way, I went ahead and drew this trend line here from February 1st, this low over here where support was built. And I drew it all the way up to go ahead and coincide with this swing low back on March 24th. And if you look, support has held pretty well on the daily. We did have a couple times on the lower time frames where we dipped below, but right now it's looking like we're going to have a nice move up with Polkadot. Again, I've been dollar cost averaging in on this weekly. I think Polkadot is an amazing project, and I am anticipating for $100 in 2021 easily. But if we can flip above $37, we should probably be able to shoot back up to 46, and then once we hit 46, then start to tackle some of those all-time high areas to go ahead and to figure out where those areas would be. Pull your fibs up. It's super easy. From the top to the bottom to the top, it's all symmetrical. Some people will get mad at me. Oh well, but you can kind of utilize the middle areas and the fib resistance areas to find out your targets and next moves. We talked about Copiosa, which of course I'm going to butcher it because I butcher everything, duh. But we talked about this project earlier this week. This gem is being shilled heavily on TikTok. This is a pancake swap cryptocurrency. It has now been listed on CoinGecko. This is bullish news. This is great news. It makes me excited. The team is also doxed, you guys, and they have about 500 million tokens, which were created at Genesis. I'm invested in this project. I dumped a little bit into it. And overall, I'm expecting it to go up. Hopefully, I'm looking at this now, like at the what price it used to be, and I wish I would have bought in a little bit earlier. Oh well. Either way, I have invested in this project. If you don't know how to use PancakeSwap, let me show you really quick. This is PancakeSwap. Very, very simple to utilize this platform. All you do, make sure you have MetaMask. When you're utilizing MetaMask, make sure you have your private keys and your passwords stored not online. You can also switch the network to Binance Smart Chain. We have a Wendy's white paper for that. So once you got that sorted, you've got your Binance on your BNB on there, you can go ahead and connect it. Also too, when you want to go ahead and select a currency, what you're going to need to do not scroll here and pick it here. Go to CoinGecko, pull the contract address here, click to copy, go to PancakeSwap and drop it. You would go ahead and drop it and it will populate here. And then once you go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and find the particular cryptocurrency you want to trade because it is a real contract address. You could also research this contract address on Metaswap and make sure, or MetaMask and not MetaMask, Etherscan, and make sure it is the correct one. And then you can go ahead and swap and trade. If you want to know how to sell, basically the same way that you buy. You're over here and you want to go ahead and have your COP up here, and then you just go ahead, unlock wallet and trade. Make sure to use high slippage on PancakeSwap in order to get it to work. Oh no, European regulators eyeing Binance over stock tokens. So European regulators are looking into Binance stock tokens complying with security rules. Regulators are increasingly of the opinion that stock tokens are securities. They are securities in my opinion. Binance argues stock tokens don't need a prospectus. I agree with the regulators here. They're 100% securities in my opinions. Stocks would be treated as securities, and so would cryptocurrencies that are emulating those because they're just derivatives. It's bearish for the space, kind of, sort of. I don't know. It is what it is. Anytime you release a new product that people can make money, people want to go ahead and tax, and they want to regulate it. Government is not going anywhere. So just play nice, figure it out, make sure you're legal and regulated, all that stuff, yada, yada. Either way, it's going to be interesting to see what happens with this Binance stock token. Speaking of BNB, taking a look at the BNB chart, we are looking absolutely beautiful. Once we flip above $600, expect $720 easily. I got that from utilizing fibs. I'm not going to go over the chart with y'all because I've done this a million times, but actually I will because I like to educate. So 720 would be the middle area of this fib resistance here. That's where I think we're going, and then from there $800. I would definitely invest in BNB. I've been accumulating a bag. I think BNB is a pretty solid project, especially taking a look at PancakeSwap. So this is a pretty safe play in my opinion. Another UK bank serves anti-crypto notice to customers. UK commercial bank NatWest says it doesn't want to do business with clients and customers who deal in crypto. Welcome to the C word. I'm not going to say it. This has been going on in the United States for a long time, and it's getting harder and harder for people to buy cryptocurrency in some of these places. This story came out earlier today, but basically these banks are refusing to do business with customers that accept cryptocurrency payments. Well, that's not fair, because why would, as a small business, I want to accept crypto, and I do accept crypto. I just think it's ridiculous. The UK needs to get their stuff together and do better. And I'm not understanding why all these people, why all of these countries want to go ahead and integrate the US digital dollar, but at the same time, they don't want to accept cryptocurrency. That makes no sense. Down over here, Frisk comments echo similar sentiments recently attributed to HSBC, another UK bank that used identical statements announcing its decisions to bar customers from buying MicroStrategy stock. Wow. What a scam these people are, the big banks are. I am over this. I am just over it. Hopefully there will be more banks coming into the market that accept and support cryptocurrency. Let's go to the next story. Very frustrating. Next story, Ether price hits new record high as analysts anticipate supply drop. Analysts say Ether will become a deflationary asset after the impending EIP 155 upgrade. Guess what? There's an Ethereum shortage going on in the cryptocurrency exchanges, but ETH needs to get their stuff together. Either way, I'm excited that ETH hit all-time high. Let's take a look at the chart. This is our Ethereum chart, and we are in a gorgeous uptrend. Go ahead, I'm gonna draw this for for posterity here. But Ethereum, if we can close above this $2,500 area, we're currently at about $2,600. Green dot printed on Market Cipher, we will hit $3,230 to $3,300 very, very easily. Things are looking really great with ETH. Taking a look at Market Cipher on the 4 hours, it's looking great too. If we do get some swing wick lows, maybe like $2,300, but realistically, I'm very bullish on ETH, and this will help pop off alts. And lastly, let's kind of just chat about Bitcoin really quick. We got to talk about this old dinosaur babe. Again, we're still in consolidation mode. The consolidation mode is actually getting a little bit tighter, which is nice. We're seeing consolidation on the 4 hour from about 53,000 to 57,000. Once 57,000 breaks, we're going to flip to $60,000. Right now, I'm just taking a look at Bitcoin in ranges. That's the best way that I can describe it to you as well. So I'm waiting for either a break of 57 or a break below $53,000. We will see what happens. Overall on the daily, similar thing, but except a larger range with a $10,000 range, 50,000 to 60,000. Once $60,000 is flipped, you can expect 65,000. However, if we break below 50,000, 45,000 will be hit. Right now, daily is still not looking too terribly hot, but just kind of watch these consolidation areas. I think they're great to kind of pay attention to dictate the market. And let's take a little bit of a quick look at Bitcoin dominance. Wrong chart. Here we go. Bitcoin dominance is fallen. It has free fallen on the daily chart. This was a nice sweet spot here from about 61 to about 64. This could indicate an alt season. It could definitely indicate an alt season. Let's kind of go back and look at, let me reset my chart. Let's look back at July. Where is my July area? July, here we go. We had a really nice alt season back when we had Bitcoin dropping in the summer. This is really when it started, when we had a break below here and we fell. And I feel like we may have another similar alt season, hopefully, because we're seeing a similar drop. It's in a different range area, but hopefully we'll get a nice, decent alt season with this drop in Bitcoin dominance. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. I will see you guys tomorrow. I will be live streaming at 9 a.m. PST. Bye-bye.